can you see that the y and the x are capital letter? Because it can be any form. Understand? Okay? Now, when the relationship between two experimental quantities is non-linear, it will be first transformed to a linear equation to be plotted on graph paper. Then a straight line is drawn in such a way that all the data points are as close to the line as possible. This gives a good estimate of the gradient and intercept of the trend in the observed data. That means this is what I call the best fit line in the last lesson. Remember? I told you how to get the best fit line, right? Correct? Okay, good. Now, for example, we may conduct an experiment to find the acceleration of a free-falling ball bearing. The distance d of the ball bearing from the point of release increases with time t seconds. Recorded values of d and t are shown below. Okay, now that means I have values of t and values of d. Okay, values of t here, values of d here. Alright, now the equation is actually, the variables are connected with this. Okay, now I want you to look at this particular equation. You have value of t and you have value of t. Do you agree that if I plot like that, I will get a curve? So, how do I have a straight line? Plot v against what? Against t squared. Am I right to say that? So, on the table, right, you must have another set of value for t squared. Then you can plot, huh? You understand? Now, class, look up. When I plot d against t squared, alright, I know that k will be the what? Gradient. Now, what will be my y-intercept? 0, because there's no y-intercept. You see now, it's a plus 0. So, it will look something like that, right? When I plot d against t squared. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay, we turn to the next page now. Hold on, turn to the next page now. Can you see that when you plot, you really have got a linear and then use the best fit line? Okay, now, then they find the gradient. The gradient is about 4.89. And the y-intercept is 0. Okay, so we can find out this particular value, which is k, which is 4.89. Everybody clear with what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, so now for example 5 and example 6, right? I will go through the next lesson because I want you to experience how to plot first. Then I will do the example very fast. Understand? If not, it becomes very, very slow. But there are two things that I need to remind you of. Now, when we draw our graph, hello, this is important and it comes out always in the O levels. Okay, we try to draw the vertical axis and the horizontal axis all starting from 0. That means from the origin start. Understand? And usually in O levels for A-levels, linear law, they will not give you the scale. You must choose a scale such that all the points can at least cover half the graph paper. And the line, be it this way or this way, it must cut the vertical axis. If not, you cannot get the intercept. You understand? You cannot say I plot, this is the graph paper. Okay, I plot, let's say against maybe x squared. Then I like that. Then it will cut on the table. Then you cannot say I want to set to Cambridge my table as well. You understand? Because there's no intercept. You understand? You cannot say I can calculate on my own. You cannot. They want to see physically. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Also cannot like that. Your graph paper, maybe x squared, like that. Then what? You know the intercept is somewhere in the sky like that. I said I cannot. I must see the intersection. Clear? And one more thing I want you to take note. I want you to look at this particular situation. Because there was one year when the O level came out, it was that situation, everybody freaked out. They don't know what to do, you know. Alright? Now, I think in your sciences, you should have realized that sometimes the axis don't start from 0. You can zigzag and then start from certain views. Okay, for linear law, please take note. You can only zigzag the vertical axis. You cannot zigzag the horizontal axis because it will be squashed. You understand what I'm talking about? Okay, I will show you what I'm here. You can only go the vertical axis. But the horizontal axis must start from 0. Because when this is 0, then this will be the intercept. If this is 4, this is not the intercept. You get what I'm talking about? Now I show you one situation and you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's say it's like that. Okay, let's say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say the thing cuts at 3 and it's like that. Okay? The straight line. Now, even if my my x-axis, my y-axis goes upward. Let's say I shift it up, I start from 2. Can you see the intercept is still 3? You get what I'm talking about? It's still 3. But if I squash in for the x-axis, let's say you say, oh, I want to start from 3 also. Then can you see your y-axis will shift to here? Is this still the intercept? This is not the intercept. You are getting a wrong intercept. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So, when you don't start from 0, you only can do it for the vertical axis, not the horizontal axis. Is that clear? Because there was once the O-level said, start the vertical axis from here, then I'll be stuck. Because my instructions is all start from 0. It's best to all start from 0. Then straight away confirm is the intercept. You don't have to worry so much. Okay, but in the event that all the vertical values are start from 30, that's it. Then the 0 to 30 got nothing now. So you can actually start from like 25 or something, right? Then you can see. Understand what I'm talking about? Okay, now I want you to write this down on page. What's that page there? Wait, I want you to write this down. This is very important. Can you write it on page 226 before try 6? We can only, this is zigzag, you know what zigzag, right? Zigzag the vertical axis. We cannot zigzag the horizontal axis because it will not give you the intercept. That's why I demonstrated to you. Is that clear to everyone? If I shift up, that is still the intercept, but when I squeeze in, it's not the intercept. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, so this is the most important one that I want to tell you. Let me just check whether I've done correct. Y-axis can, x-axis cannot, correct? So I read out the notes for you. Okay, now, then it comes to how to plot and so on. Now, for linear law, all the values are just estimates. But you also cannot all estimate the whole number, you understand? Then there's no accuracy. If the question never say, all of you must give the value 3 significant figures. Is that clear? Unless they give you some things that you see, then you can judge from them. Understand? Okay? Now, I'm going to do 5 questions. What you need to do is that you just need to take down the info, plot the 5 straight lines for me. The rest you don't know, never mind. I need the straight lines, just like when I do the ELAS like that. If not, I cannot proceed. Do you follow? Okay? Alright, now, first, what is the content page number now? What is the content page number now? Oh, I read what? First, 20. Okay, 20. Today's value is 5. Exercise 9.2. Right again, linear law. Because in other textbook we call linear law because it's the law of the line. Okay, linear law. Okay. Now take out the first piece of graph paper. I want you to take out the first piece of graph paper. Okay? I want you to take out the first piece of graph paper. Is this done already? Is this done already? Okay. Clean off, Don't forget you're supposed to hit your file on the 15, you know. Don't write it after that, the principal guy find me, I'll move your house, okay? Alright, let's look at question number 1. Can you all write this at the back of the graph paper? At the back of the graph paper, please. of two variables x and y which are related by the equation xy equals to h x plus k. Can you write this down first? So they give you one whole set of values. Okay? Now I want to look at part 1. What did they say? Can you look at part 1? What did they say? Plot what? Part 1. Okay. I'll write down first. Plot 1. Plot 1. Y against what? I don't understand why I keep spelling on me. Plot y against 1 over x, right? For the different set of data. Am I right to say that? Correct. Now, that means I must do transformation first, right? I cannot just plot correct? Okay, now, so xy equals to h x plus k. How do I get y? Focus on me. Divide throughout by what? Divide throughout by what? X. So I divide by x. Alright? Okay, until here? Now, next up, y will be hx plus hk. Then I over x, right? And right, I can also do like that, right? Alright, okay. So y will be h plus hk over x. Now I'm going to write it in the correct form already. Y equals to hk over x plus h. All of you look up. This is y. Hk times 1 over x, right? Alright. Hk times 1 over x, h, right? Now, why I write it this way? Because they say plot y against what? 1 over x. That's my 1 over x. Can you see? Now, so can you tell me what is hk? Hk represents what? Gradient. What is my h? Y-intercept. I mean the vertical intercept. Correct? Now, I want to know. This is my m, right? This is my c, right? After you plot the graph, which one you can find first? H first, right? Then after that, you find the gradient, then you substitute the value of it, then you can find here. You understand what I'm talking about? Okay, then, how would you present the work? That's the most important. At the back of the graph paper, you must have this. You have x, y, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and then 1.0, 5.25, 3.38, 2.75, 2.44, 2.23. Okay, I want you to look at this table. I need to do something. Can you see they say plot y against 1 over x? That means my vertical axis is y, my horizontal axis is what? 1 over x, right? Correct. Now, do you agree that I need to have another row here that says 1 over x? Am I right to say that? Correct? Okay, I want all of you to use your calculator. What is 1 over x? What is the value? Use your calculator. Straight away down. 5. Good. What's the next value? Huh? 2.5. Okay. What's the next value? 360. Don't give me fraction. 1.67. Wrong over. Next one. 1.25. Last one? 1. We all agree? We all agree. So I now have 1 over x and y, right? I can plot already, right? I'm not going to say that now. I'm going to fill the scale, okay? I going to give you the scale now. Right behind that. 1/x axis, that means it's the horizontal axis, 2 cm to 1 unit. The y-axis, which is the vertical axis, also 2 cm to 1 unit. Okay? That means, on the paper, you are supposed to plot y and 1/x. Okay. Now, the rest of the parts, if you cannot do, never mind. I just want you to get this thing done first. Just give me the straight line first. Will that be okay? That will be your question 1. Are we alright? Okay, put that draw paper aside. Take out another one. I am going to go to question number 2. Okay, right at the back of the graph paper as well. So I'm going to write here, I have question 1, question 2 already. Okay. Are you clear with my instructions? Are you clear with my instructions? I just need you to plot the straight line for me because I'm going to talk about the information on my page. Clear? Okay, let's look at question number 2. The table shows experimental values of variables x and y, which are connected by the equation. Okay. When x is not equal to 0 and a and b are constants. Part 1. Express this equation in a form suitable for drawing a straight line graph. Now, do you agree that this question is more difficult than number 1? Why? Number 1 got time you talk about this one. This one will have you understand? Okay, now, in order to get rid of x, I must times x throughout, right? So, xy equals to ax squared plus b, right? Alright. So, can you tell me plot what? Plot xy against what? X squared. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay. Now, let me just show you this. This is what I cannot stand. Hey! Come on, sir. Oh, come on. Let's stand this kind of minor fight outside my class. I'm going to stop it. You are very violent. I ever saw one, they step on the leg of the other, they start tapping the thing. Now I tell you what, this is worse than National Geographic. You know National Geographic, the lion boy say, wow, you know the hyena, all this. Wow, this one is the real life minor fight of minor. What rubbish is that? So angry. If they chip, I'm okay with it. But if they fight each other, I'm going to stop them from fighting. What? You mean by killing your own kind? Then what they want to do, cook curry. Okay, come. Now what am I talking about? What rubbish? Those stupid minor distracted me. Alright. We will have this 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 14.6, 6.8, 4.0, 2.4, right? This is the table that we give you, right? Now, plus, if the value is exact, you give exact. If the value is not exact, then 3 is a little figure. Understand? Now, can you tell me what do I have to add? I have to add what? X squared, and then what? X squared. Now, I teach you a trick, because sometimes people get confused. I always find the horizontal axis first, then the vertical axis. That is easier when you read to plot. You have to reverse again, then your mind becomes reversed. You understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? So I leave it to you to find out. Will that be okay? Alright? Then I want to give you the scale. Okay? I'm going to give you the scale now. Okay. I'm going to give you the scale. This is number 2. Same thing. The x square axis 2 cm to 1 unit, and the xy axis also 2 cm to 1 unit. So draw this part 2 for me, or question 2 for me. Alright? Next one is question 6. I'm going to go very fast here because you need to talk all around topic. Question 6. Xn, the table shows experimental vector values of this. It is known that x and y are related by this. They say what? Plot what? Plot log y against log x and draw a straight line. This is again a time question. Am I right? Can you see that? Okay, I'm going to transform this. Now, if they say plot log y against log x, surely I must take log on both sides, right? Why not? All of you look up, this is how you present. This will be log xn plus log y equals to log k. Now, this will give me n log x plus log y equals to log k, right? Oh, it's not n now. It's n now. Oh. So, if I keep log y here, it will become negative n log x plus log k, right? Correct? Everybody here? Can or cannot? Now, can you see, this is my vertical axis, this is my horizontal axis, this is my n, this is my c, right? Okay, now, you go and have the table and the necessary things done. I'm going to give you the scale, will that be okay? The table, you're going to draw and add in yourself, the log x and the log y. Understand now? Can or cannot? Okay, so the scale. The log x axis will be 1 cm to 0.1 unit. The log y axis will be 1 cm to 0.1 unit as well. That will be your question 6. So 1, 2, and 6 already. Some people will ask me, if I get to 3 cm, sometimes it's not required. My scale cannot. It's okay to run off after to the nearest and then you plot. Everybody clear? Okay. Now, next will be question number 7. Let's look at question number 7. I have 2 more. Question number 7. I have y equals to pqx plus 6. They say write this in a suitable form, then you are supposed to do the necessary, right? Now this one is, why I chose this because this one is difficult. You understand? Can you see it's difficult? Okay? Now what I do is this. Can you understand it? Yes or no? Yes. What do you think I want to do now? Take what? Take what? Log. So I will have log y minus x equals to log p plus log qx. Okay. another form. Now, if I work in this manner, right, what do you think I'm plotting? I'm plotting this against this, right? Okay, let me write this in another form. Alright. I must plot what? Log y minus x against x, right? Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Now, I want you to look at the table that they have given you. Then all of you look at the table that they have given you. Can you see that they have x, y value? Am I right to say that? Now, I must plot do you agree that x value don't need to refine already? Because it's x. But I need to know what is y minus 6, right? Alright. Then I need to know what? Log y minus 6, right? Can you see it? Can you see you got to add this, then you can plot. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Now, how come I didn't straight away put log y minus 6? Because some people will forget going to minus 6. Understand? Okay, I'm giving the scale now. The log y minus 6 axis will be 2 cm to 1 unit. The x-axis, the horizontal one, sorry, I write the other way wrong. The x-axis is 2 cm to 1 unit. The log y minus 6 axis will be 4 cm to 0.5 units. Now, just I want to ask you one question before I go on to the last one. What if this one involves E? Then do I take log or do I take log? I will have to take log. Do you understand? If the question involves E, you have to take log. Is that understood? Okay? Alright. The last one that I'm going to give you, okay, is question number 9. Now, the question is very tight. Okay, look at part 1. They say plot y against x, right? And draw a straight line. So, I want you to do your own transformation. And not do auto never mind, just plot first. Understand? Can I give you the scale? Alright? The x-axis will be 2 cm to 5 units. And the log y-axis will be 1 cm to 0.2 units. Okay. So, the 5 straight line graphs that we must plot, I don't need you to answer the questions. Do you understand? You just need to plot a straight line for me. Because I don't want to waste my time plotting things on. Okay, understand? Is which question? Focus again.